view and then insert. Right, now let's work on this delete. So for deleting, let's create, but before that, this delete, no, this add users. So this function is finished now. So users, here we need to write some code. So here will be this URL, then delete. Okay. Inside our controller, we will create a function called delete, and similarly, but here we will have to pass the ID also, because which record will be deleted, we need to write here the ID. So similarly, in case of edit, we also need to pass this edit as well. Edit. Okay, this is deleting. Edit. Edit. So when I click on this delete, then it should come like this. But for that, we need to create a function called delete inside our controller file. So let's go to here and write here public function delete, and then $id. We need to pass here parameter as ID. So here inside that, we have written here $this registration model when delete user, and then passing ID here. Okay, and after deleting, it will return to index. And then we need to create a function inside our model file. So let's go to here in the public function. $ID, and then let's write this code. $where registration ID, it will match the ID, so it is like delete from registration where ID equal to $ID. So it is equivalent to the other one after deleting. So here ultimately it will return and registration, under registration, this parameter checking, and it will be deleted. So now let's try. It is deleted, you can see. Cream is also deleted. So as you can see, the delete is also working perfectly. That's it in this video, and in the next video we will be working on edit and update.